Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3 power 4x minus 5 plus 3 power 4x plus 1 plus 9 power 2x minus 1 is equals to 757 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'll take this 9 and we can write 9 as 3 square and multiply with 2x minus 1. So if we multiply with the bracket, so 3 power 4x minus 2. So first I'll write the same. Only just the 9 term, I can write it as 3 power 4x minus 2. That is equals to 757. Now I'm going to apply the multiplication rule of exponent, that is x power m times n. We can write it as x power m plus n. So 3 power 4x minus 5. So if there is minus in between the number, we can write it as x power m divided by x power n. So 3 power 4x divided by 3 power 5 plus here we can apply there is an addition sign. So we can write it as 3 power 4x times 3 power 1 plus again here is a subtraction sign. So we can apply the quotient rule. So 3 power 2 is equals to 757. Now I'm going to multiply with 3 power 5 both sides. So it's look like 3 power 5 times 3 power 4x divided by 3 power 5 plus 3 power 4x times 3 power 1 times 3 power 5 plus 3 power 4x times 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 2 is equals to 757 times 3 power 5. Now we can eliminate this. So 3 power 4x plus 3 power 4x times, here we can add the power in case of multiplication. So 3 power 1 plus 5 is 3 power 6 plus 3 power 4x times, here we can apply the quotient rule. So 3 power 5 minus 3 power 2 is 3 power 3 is equals to 757 times 3 power 5. Now I can take 3 power 4x common from left hand side. So it becomes 1 plus 3 power 6 plus 3 power 3 is equals to 757 times 3 power 5. So 3 power 4x, 1 plus 3 power 6, we can call it as 729 plus 3 power 3 as 27 is equals to 757 times 3 power 5. Now if we add all the three terms, we get 3 power 4x multiply 757 is equals to 757 times 3 power 5. So now I am going to divide both sides by 757. So we can eliminate this. So what is left? 3 power 4x is equals to 3 power 5. As we know, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 4x is equals to 5. Now I am going to divide both sides by 4. So the value of x is 5 by 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.